You spend $5 on coffee, snacks, or just random stuff. But what if I told you that same $5 could make you a millionaire? It sounds unbelievable. But it's math, not magic. And if you give me 4 minutes, I'll prove it to you. Let's say you invest $5 a day. That's $150 a month. Into a simple S&P 500 index fund. No fancy trading. No crypto hype. Just slow and steady. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned around 10% per year. Now, if you keep investing that $150 every month for the next 40 years, do you know what you'd have? Over $1 million. Let me say that again. Just $5 a day can become $1 million portfolio. Without ever winning the lottery or starting a business. So why doesn't everyone do it? Because it feels too slow. Because we underestimate the power of compound interest. Because we want fast money. Not smart money. But here's the truth. $72,000 invested over 40 years can turn into over $1 million. Not because of how much you put in, but because of how long you let it grow. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest. Time is your biggest weapon. Think about it. What's easier? Finding the next big stock? Or putting away $5 a day while sipping your coffee? Millionaires aren't made by luck. They're made by discipline, patience, and small smart moves over time. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. If you want real wealth, you build it. One day at a time. $1 at a time. So, will you spend that $5 today? Or will you let it change your future? Hit that like button if you're ready to start investing. Comment, "I'm in," if you're committing to your future. And subscribe for more no-nonsense money wisdom. Because your millionaire journey doesn't start someday. It starts today, with just $5.